Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing another Halloween look. So let's go with that. Um I decided to do the main Halloween characters: Michael Myers, Freddy, Jason, Annabelle, all the main characters. So next, since I did Chucky, I'm gonna do Saw this time. And it's gonna be the full face, so yeah. And we're gonna use today the background. I have a family over, so that's why you hear talking. So we're gonna use this one as we did with the last video we did. And we're just gonna put, a full face. Thing. I can open this thing. It's really hard to open. Okay, here we go. We're gonna try to do the full face one. The full face one. We just need to put everything white at first. Okay, everything white. Good. Everything white. And we're gonna start to. So, what are guys' ideas for this Halloween this year? I'm just gonna give out candies. I'm gonna have my puppy with me. He's gonna be a lion, so he's gonna be in a cage next to me. So this year I'm just gonna do it because last year I did not do it. I was out with some friends on Halloween and I was in the Halloween mode. Yeah. So I'm just gonna give out candies this year. I'm not going to be treated this year. So yeah, I'm staying home. Let's see if I can get. You know what? I do need another brush thing to blend in all of this. I didn't even get it because I was not thinking. I got the full face white. Part full face white. Full face white. And let me just find lemons and I think I have some. This one. And blend this. Okay, so I think we need more on top white. On top more, um, just to have it more white. It could blend in more. Alright, so now what we're gonna do is we is going to find a smaller kind of brush. We're gonna use this one. And we're just gonna put all black eyebrows. Okay. Then we need to blend it more there. And I do need the so I'm doing make it a line to make my lip, cheekbones look up. I'm just gonna blend it in just like that. But I do need more on this side. Okay. So then I was going to do that. We're gonna do that, and after we do that, we're gonna add our red, our red lines as circles. So here and go here. Ooh, here we go. I wish I had the wig. It probably will be a good wig to do with this. Okay. And we did add. I'm adding more detail. Okay. So it's going to be blending. Okay, so this is it. This is my final jaw look, and hope you don't like it. I mean, hope it is likable, likable. But anyways, yes. So this is jaw look to do on Halloween makeup, or how you redo it. This is one of the. I might make more videos for the main ones. So yeah. So this is the second one. So if you like it, hit it, whatever. Just enjoy it. Like, subscribe below. Bye.